Where did the puzzle pieces go? Look, it's a green recycling truck. What did it leave behind? Number 1. Look here, we have 1 dot. Here's 1 ring. Count with me. 1. We have 2 acorns. Do you think there's anything inside? Let's see. This was empty. Oh, look! It's our number 2 puzzle piece. Can you help me count the dots? 1, 2. We have 2 rings. Let's count. 1, 2. Look, a red barn. Let's see what's behind the door. Oh, it's a beautiful horse. Let's see what's behind the second door. I see a cow. Now for door number 3. Oh, look, it's our orange number 3 puzzle piece. Number 3. Count the dots with me. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Here's a purple truck, a red truck, a green truck, and an orange truck. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Off you go. Our light blue number 4 puzzle piece. Let's count the dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 4 rings. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, red, orange, green, blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Count the dots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's watch the gumballs drop and count them. 1 green gumball. 1. Next, there's a pink gumball. 2. And there's a blue gumball. 3. Next, we have a yellow gumball. 4. This one is a red gumball. 5. Our last gumball is purple. 6. Our green number 6 puzzle piece. Count the dots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try to count the rings together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, there's a xylophone coming. Let's listen closely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's our number 7 green puzzle piece. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 hoops. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Let's count the baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What do you think's inside the green basket? A green cabbage. How about the purple basket? An eggplant. Guess what's in this lilac basket? A lilac ice cream bar. How about this orange one? Look, there's a carrot. Let's check out the pink basket. Yummy pink ice cream with a strawberry. How about this blue one? Oh look, delicious blueberries. Guess what's in the red basket? A strawberry. Our last basket is a yellow basket. Look, our number 8 puzzle piece. Now let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 hoops. Let's go count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alligator, rhino, lion, cow, elephant, horse, dinosaur, hippo, hen. Number 9. Now the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 hoops to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at all this yummy food. We have green beans, a carrot, a cupcake, a slice of apple pie, some popsicles, a delicious sandwich, some cheese, a strawberry, some grapes, and a delicious ice cream sandwich. Oh look, what do we have here? Our number 10 puzzle piece. Now let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have 10 hoops. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a triangle. This is a star. This is a hexagon. This is the plus sign. This is a minus sign. This is the greater than sign. This is the division sign. And this is the equal sign. You did a great job! Thank you, everyone. Finish the puzzle.